Hi, this is Joseph Bignall from Vanderbilt Industries, and in this video I'm going to show you how to look at the live stream footage within the ACT365 system software. Now from the home page of the customer portal, you may already have chosen your widgets that you can display on the home page. One of them that you may see already is the camera. You can choose to click play on the camera to see any live footage that you'd like to. As you can see, I just did here. But to see all the video footage, you can go on the left-hand side to video and then click on cameras. Once that's loaded, you'll be able to access any live footage of the video that you have installed in the software by clicking play over that video, as you can see. One thing I want to point out as well, during the live video footage, you can choose for any door that's connected to the system software with the VCU to have access or control that door with unlock, lock, pass, or normalizing. Of course, from the live footage as well, you can choose to send a snapshot of what you're looking at to any email address if that is something you would like to save. And that is how you look at and have access to the video within the ACT365 system software.